Netball Jamaica is in a race against time to get increased resources for the Sunshine Girls ahead of next year's Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. Karen Madden, or the nation's #1 ranked team, returned to the island on Monday following a 2-1 series loss to the England Roses. Karen Madden now reports.
It was the first time since 2018 that the England Roses were beating the Sunshine Girls in a test series. But the Jamaicans were always behind the proverbial 8th ball at the Vitality Roses reunited series. After going down 2-0, the team rallied to close out the series with a 63-53 win on Sunday to avoid a complete shutout in the 3-game matchup. England, the Commonwealth Games defending champions, were in superior condition to Jamaica, according to head coach Connie Francis.
I'm very envious of even New Zealand because their program, both them and England, the top 3 team in the world program, is way ahead of ours. And yet still, the effort that these girls have put into that series, is really and truly remarkable.
Francis pointed to the top teams in the world who have coaches for every area of the sport.
Hopefully in the plan I can get an assistant coach because, going over 2 years plus, no assistant, and just a trainer myself. I think at this stage in the game we need some support in order to help our program.
Vice Captain Shamera Sterling, who was a thorn in the side of the England attackers in the Motorpoint Arena on Sunday and was adjudged the player of the match, also bemoaned the obstacles Jamaica face.
I think the team would have done better, and for me it's all about knowing your players, knowing the type of players you have as a coach, and I just think that Netball Jamaica will work it out and we'll be ready for Commonwealth Games.
We put the issue to Netball Jamaica President Tricia Robinson.
They do well, but we can do better, and with the right support, the sky's the limit for the teams. So we are calling on the powers that be to assist the program. We really do need an assistant coach, we need a technical director, we need video analysts. So yes, we do need all the help that we can get.
The Commonwealth Games will be held in Birmingham from July 28 to August 8 next year. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.